They are full of superstition from the east. They practice divination like the fake apostles and embrace pagan costumes. Their land is full of silver and gold. There is no end to their treasures. Their land is full of horses. There is no end to their chariots. Their works are full of evil. Who should we go in for? Who speak the truth? Who speak the salvation?
Nana, me also. If you do club, Nana, me ya to me. I'm the Bayer Juma. Besides, Nana, near Mount Kuyi. I would tell the Josh. Matonka. So they are putting me again in I. Baya, to me. Are you sure for your request? Are you sure to face the consequences in any way of sacrifices? Are you sure? Are you ready?
They lie, deceive, fraud. The word of God has now turned into business. They never know that the Almighty has a day in store for all the proud and lofty, for all that is exalted, and they will be humbled, for all the senders.
Mama me sanka me pay. Say you are no any class one and mama me.